20 DIY Home Remedies for Facial Hair Removal. Home Remedies for Facial Hair Removal. Home remedies can help to remove facial hair permanently. They are easy to follow, safe to use, and need only very common ingredients. 1. Indian Nettle and Turmeric. Indian Nettle has amazing healing properties, and is good for removing facial hair. It will gently penetrate the skin and thin the hair. Eventually it will stop growing altogether. Turmeric has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that works effectively in treating the unwanted facial hair without any infection and pain. Ingredients: Indian nettle leaves, handful. Fresh turmeric root, 1 to 2 inches, or turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon. Grinder. Process: wash the leaves of the Indian nettle and crush to make a paste. Grind the turmeric root into a powder, or just use the powder. Mix the two ingredients and apply paste to the face. Leave on for a couple of hours. Rinse it off by scrubbing gently with water. Alternatively, leave on overnight. Repeat this process daily for about 4 to 6 weeks. 2. Barley scrub for stubborn facial hair removal. When used as scrub, barley will remove the facial hair, leaving the skin soft and glowing. Ingredients: barley powder, 1 tablespoon. Lime juice, 1 tablespoon. Milk, 1 tablespoon. Process: take equal quantities of barley powder, milk and lime juice. Mix well to make a paste and apply this paste on your face. Let it dry naturally. Wash it off with lukewarm water. Repeat the application for 3 to 4 times a week. 3. Oatmeal scrub. Oatmeal has a gentle grainy texture which makes it as a good exfoliating agent. Commercial scrubs may leave skin dry, itchy and red, whereas oatmeal is a natural scrub that contains antioxidants that help to reduce redness and also protect the skin against UV sun damage. When combined with other skin-friendly ingredients like honey or lemon, it will leave your skin soft and hydrated. Ingredients: oatmeal, 1/2 teaspoon. Lemon juice, 6 to 8 drops. Honey, 1 tablespoon. Process: grind oatmeal coarsely and then add lemon juice and honey. Stir it well and apply this on your face evenly. Let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then gently rub the face in the circular motion for about 2 to 5 minutes. Rub against the direction of the hair growth. Wash it off with water and repeat this for 2 to 3 times a week. 4. Orange and lemon peel mask. Oil extracted from orange peel is generally used in the preparation of many cosmetic products that helps to cleanse the skin. Orange and lemon peel also helps to bleach the hair naturally and make hairs disappear in few days. Ingredients: dry orange peel, 1 teaspoon. Dry lemon peel, 1 teaspoon. Oatmeal, 1 teaspoon. Ground almond meal, 1 teaspoon. Olive oil, 1 to 2 teaspoons. Rose water, 1 teaspoon. Process: take dry orange and lemon peel and grind to get a powder. Add almond meal and oatmeal to the powder. Stir it well by adding rose water and sufficient amount of olive oil to make a paste. Apply this to the face and leave for about 5 to 7 minutes. Rub your finger in circular strokes for 5 to 10 minutes. Wash it with water and repeat it regularly for 2 to 3 times a week. 5. Wheat bran scrub. Wheat bran is a nutrient-rich outer layer of the wheat grain. It is not only healthy but is a great natural cosmetic product used to make various masks and scrubs. It not only removes the unwanted hair on the face but also helps to get rid of the wrinkles. Method: 1. Ingredients: wheat bran, 1 to 2 tablespoon. Milk, 1 tablespoon. Rose water, 1 teaspoon. Process: take all the ingredients and mix well to make a paste. Apply this grainy scrub on the face and rub it gently on your face in circular strokes. Keep scrubbing until the wheat bran scrub dries up completely. Wash with water. Repeat this daily for first few days and then do this for 2 to 3 times a week after this. Method: 2. Ingredients: wheat bran, 1 tablespoon. Gram flour, 1 tablespoon. Curd or fresh milk cream, 1 tablespoon. Turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon. Process: stir all the ingredients well to make a paste-like consistency. Apply this paste to your face and wait for about 20 to 25 minutes to dry completely. Use wet fingers to rub circular strokes on your face. Continue this scrub for about 3 to 5 minutes and then rinse with water. Follow this scrubbing process for 2 to 4 times a week. This process will not only helps to clear the dead skin and remove the facial hair over time but also makes your skin soft, smooth and glowing. 6. Lavender and tea tree oil for hirsutism-induced. Many women suffer from the medical condition known as hirsutism, which is generally defined as the presence of the excessive hair on the androgen. Research has suggested these essential oils have anti-androgenic activities. When applied on the skin, it will reduce the unwanted hair growth. Ingredients: lavender oil, 1 teaspoon. Tea tree oil, 4 to 6 drops. Cotton ball. Small bowl. Process: take lavender oil and tea tree oil and mix it well in a small bowl. Dip a cotton ball in the oil mixture. Apply this on the facial hair and leave it on for few hours. Repeat this for once or twice a day up to 3 months to see the positive results. Note: as these two oils are very strong, it is better to patch test before applying on the face. If no negative results are observed, then you can try the method or else avoid it. 7. Chickpea flour or gram flour. Chickpea flour helps to exfoliate the skin to remove all the dead skin cells and also removes the hair effectively. Method: 1. Ingredients: chickpea flour, 2 tablespoons. Milk cream, 1 tablespoon. Milk, 1/2 teaspoon. Turmeric powder, 3/4 teaspoon. Facial loofah pad, soft cloth. Lukewarm water. Process: mix all ingredients well to make it like a thick paste. Apply this chickpea flour paste on the face and leave it for about 20 to 30 minutes or until it dries completely. Scrub the face using the facial loofah pad or a soft cloth dipped in lukewarm water. Gently scrub the area to remove the paste and hair. Continue this process at least 3 to 4 times a week for a month. Method: 2. Ingredients: chickpea flour, 1 tablespoon. Plain yogurt or rose water, 1/2 teaspoon. Turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon. Process: mix all the ingredients to make paste. Spread the paste evenly over the face. Let it sit for about 20 to 25 minutes to dry completely. Scrub the face to remove the paste and the hair. Repeat this process whenever you needed to remove the unwanted facial hair. Method: 3. Ingredients: chickpea flour, 2 tablespoon. Turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon. Milk, enough to make paste. Process: stir the ingredients well to make a thick and smooth paste. Apply this paste on the face and allow it dry. Scrub the face with damp hands until the paste and hair is removed. Ensure that you only scrub gently to avoid irritation. 8. Fenugreek. Fenugreek is a natural and medicinal herb that can help to clean unwanted hair off the body, such as on the chest or face. There are various methods to use the seeds to get rid of facial hair. One method is soaking the seeds in water overnight, and then having this in the morning. Alternatively, use the method below. Ingredients: fenugreek,